best offensive stretch in his young career. D'Angelo Russell answers with a three of his own.
Russell in his home debut for the Timberwolves.
And drills the three.
Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nigelunotv in the building, and today we're back with a new banger video. And today we're gonna be doing D'Angelo Russell's dreadlock journey. Yes, sir, we are doing his dreadlock journey. So without further ado, y'all, make sure y'all share the channel with your family, your friends, your aunt, cousin, mama, everybody, nigga. Like, real talk. And hit that subscribe button, that like and subscribe button. Smash them shits for me. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so alright, y'all, so check this out. In this picture right here, as you can see, D'Angelo Russell has a regular low cut right here. A regular low cut, nothing too crazy going on. You see his hair a little nappy, which means just by looking at it, man, your boy can tell he got 4B hair type. Like, real talk. So yes, his hair type is 4B. You want dreads like him, you have to have 4B or 4C hair type. Anywhere in the 4 category, because it's easy to lock your hair up. But that's besides the point. So tell me why this man look just like Pretty Boy Fredo. Him and this man could be damn near twins. I don't know if I'm not the only one that noticed that, but like, they look just alike. But let's go ahead and go to the next picture. So alright, y'all, check this out. Check this out. So even though D'Angelo Russell hasn't started his dreads just yet, he had a few pictures that I was peeping that he had with the braids, and I didn't notice it until now. So he was rocking the braids for a little bit. As you can see, he got the drop fade going on, and seeing in the past picture he had a little small afro. This limits my guy to like 4 or 5 braids, you know, showing that he don't really got no type of hang time. His hair ain't hanging, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing crazy going on, but you know, he got his little noodles and shit in his head, but nobody told him to get that, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, right here in this next photo right here, goddamn, D'Angelo Russell is really showcasing some of that length he has packed up in them goddamn braids, you know what I'm saying? This look right here really shows off his braid. Well, not even his braids, it shows off his actual length and how his hair looks stretched out when it's out of the braid out, you know what I'm saying? And his hair texture also appears to be way looser than what I thought it was gonna be, but you know, it is what it is. So alright, y'all, check this out. D'Angelo Russell said he tired of them braids, he tired of them cornrows, he tired of them tugging on his scalp, pushing his hairline back. Now I'm just playing. But check this out. We finally in the dreadlock stage. Yes, sir. We are here. Let's get it. So as you can see, D'Angelo Russell has many freeform locks. And what you don't know is that this look can actually be achieved by using dreadlock sponge and towel rub. So I'm going to give y'all a little fair warning because I love y'all. You know, y'all the Uno gang and shit like that. Do not, and I repeat, do not go in too hard with the dread sponge, because if you do, you're going to mess your hair up. You're going to damage your hair. You're going to pull a lot of hair out.
He ain't lying.
So if you do use the dread sponge to get this method, go in on it real light so you can section your hair off for dreads and just let it freeform from there. But do not like be rough with it. You feel me? Don't do it. As y'all can see, D'Angelo Dreads has reached a year, almost about a year in length. So we're gonna say he had his dreads about a year. And as you can see, his dreads has matured a little bit. They're thick, and you know, they ain't too shabby. I think he crocheted a little bit too to just like instant lock it. I mean, this is just my opinion. Don't bash me. Correct me if I'm wrong. You know what I'm saying? But as you can see, it's just, they got that perfect kind of blunt form to it. They done budding, and it just looks dope overall. And yeah, I fuck with the look. It's nice. Alright, y'all, so right here we getting a back view of D'Angelo Russell's dreads, and as you can see, they are way long. This dude hair just grows real crazy at it. I don't know what he putting in his hair, but I need it, bro. I need it. Dude hair just growing at a crazy ass rate. And as you can see, he got some hang time in this picture right here, and he's most definitely rocking the dreadhawk or the drop fade. I wish I knew what it was, but I really think it's a drop fade. He got the little pretty boy Fredo look once again, or it's his look because he had it before Pretty Boy Fredo. But other than that, it's real dope. He got some hang time. He got the little mushroom at the top, you know what I'm saying? But it looks dope. Alright guys, in this picture right here, D'Angelo Russell is most known for it. Like, he really kind of woke niggas up with this hairstyle. You ain't started seeing niggas rock this hairstyle until he started rocking it. But I don't know what to call this hairstyle. I guess you can call it like a 4-strand twist or something like that, or a barrel twist. But he got 4 big ones, and it's a clean look. Especially with the haircut he got, it looks real dope, and like a lot of people been going crazy about it, and they've been copying and pasting. You know, like, you know, they following the trend. But other than that, you know, his hair longer. He got hella length now. Like, once I told y'all, this dude hair grows at a crazy ass rate. Like, it's just ridiculous. And other than that, this hairstyle is dope. I like it. I gotta try it with my locks when I get mine this length, like real talk. So alright y'all, in this goddamn picture right here, peep game. Now let me chill out. Peep game though. In this picture, buddy right here, he got a different dread style, and it's different. He got the ponytail. When you can put your dreads in a ponytail, that's how you know you really made it. Like, you graduated from the kitty dread stage to the big nigga shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, so you're a big nigga now. Your hair is just really dope right now. And as you can see, his dreads is way more fuller, and they just thick, bro. Like, bro, he really freeformed the fuck out of his dreads. Yo, we gonna go with freeform. He didn't do no maintenance or nothing like that, like no crochet needle or nothing like that. This is strictly freeform. He let his dreads do his own little thing, but he maintain it from time to time and get it done. So we gonna say he's semi freeform it, not freeform. I mean, it's still freeform, but it's semi freeform. You get what I'm saying? So alright y'all, this is one of D-Lo's most recent pictures, and as you can see, he done had his dreads about almost 2 to 3 years, close to 2 to 3. It's been that long. I believe it is. He's playing for the Timberwolves now, I believe. But as you can see, his dreads, they a different breed. He got some of the hardest dreads in the NBA, and me personally, I like it. Like, they dope. It's a dope set of Freeform Locs. Semi-freeform, freeform, either way it go, he freeformed them hoes. We just gonna put it like that. So I'm gonna just keep it short and simple. If y'all want dreads like D'Angelo Russell, get the dread sponge your hair, freeform it, let it do its own thing, and let it grow. Wash your hair. Don't wash it too much. Don't wash it too much to where you damage your hair, you know what I'm saying, and get water damage. But take care of your hair, oil it, moisturize it, and that's pretty much it. You just let your hair do its own thing and let it do its own course, and that's pretty much it. That's how you get dreads like D'Angelo Russell.
Yeah, can we relate? Can we relate? Yeah, can we debate? Yeah, but I want debate. Yeah, I took the cake.